Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today's a little bit bittersweet for me. I am saying goodbye to my Craftsman planer. I've had this a little over a year now. I did some pretty good projects with it. It was definitely time to upgrade. The snipe on this was very hard to get rid of, to the point that most projects I just ended up making a few inches longer on each side to keep it straight. But all that actually changed yesterday when I got my Christmas gift. Scroll over. This was my Christmas gift, the Hercules. I did some research on this. This is actually a DeWalt 734 clone, and kind of combined with the Oliver a little bit too. It has a 3-blade cutter head on it as opposed to 2. It has a carriage lock, and it does obviously fold up. It has a depth gauge on it so you can tell how much you're taking off. And it's, yeah, other than that, I mean, it's pretty similar. 96 cuts an inch, comes with a good power cord. I'm going to probably just put the Craftsman on for sale on Marketplace. I can't imagine it's worth more than 100 to 150 bucks at this point. But I had some fun with that planer. It was the first one I ever had, and I made some decent projects out of it. But I'm very excited to get this unpackaged and set up. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. If you guys are still here, feel free to like and subscribe. I could definitely use the subscribers and the likes. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this open and we'll do a review on it. I'll run a board through it too. All right, it's out of the box. Let's see what goodies this thing comes with. It's not as heavy as I thought, which is actually good because I like to store stuff in that cabinet. I'm going to keep the box on this too because she got me the extended warranty for 2 years on it. Oh, the tables are much bigger. Decent cord. That's the dust collector, from what I can tell. Should really be able to use that. Handle folds over for better storage, which is kind of nice. Oh, let's unlock it. It does come with an instruction manual. I haven't opened it yet. Don't know if I actually even will. And from the look of this styrofoam, I would say the blades are already installed. It does come with a tool on the back. Looks like that can do just about everything. I'm gonna pop this out real quick. All right, so in-feed and out-feed tables are substantially bigger. They definitely need to be adjusted though. Carriage lock, snaps down. That should be nice for cutting out the snipe. I do like that this has a depth gauge on it. It's just a ball style, but then you know how much you're taking each pass, which is very nice. It does have tool storage back here. And it did come with just a standard planer style dust collector. I don't really run these because I don't have dust collection out here. I guess I could hook a shop vac to it, but it's just as easy for me to sweep it up after. And I don't have to worry about it getting clogged or anything. So, yeah, so far so good. I'll run a board through it just to see how it goes. Some decent instructions. Yeah, why don't I set that Craftsman aside? I do have some pine over here that I removed the nails from that's pretty rough cut. I'll run that through. See if we can do anything with it. Be right back. All right, so I picked out my first piece of wood. It is some very rough cut pine. I'm sure you can see that on there. If you can't, I'll try to get close. But I've got the depth stops to about 1/32 of an inch. And I'm just going to run it, a couple passes each side. I haven't even adjusted the tables yet, but because this is scrap wood, it will give me a good idea how to adjust them. So let's fire it up and see what it can do. So don't know how well you can see that, but just a couple of passes and pretty much all of that is gone. It is sniping on the in feed, not really on the out feed, but I'm pretty sure just adjusting the tables I can work that out of it. But overall, it's actually a much smoother cut than the Craftsman too. Pretty much all that's gone. One more pass and even all this would be gone. So I call this a win. When you take price into consideration, this one was $369. There's a coupon on Harbor Freight's website. The Craftsman is $299. So for $70, you get a substantially better piece of equipment. So I don't think there's any real reason to go with that cheapie anymore when this cheap one is that much better. I mean, it was smooth, it was quiet. 3 blades as opposed to 2. I do need to adjust the tables, obviously, but that's every planer you buy. I think this one's going to be a win. It's just much more powerful, too. It didn't jam up at all. Made some nice flakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're considering a new planer, wait till another sale goes on or a coupon shows up on their website, but this is a better deal than most others. It actually looks a lot like the Oliver planer. Not quite like the DeWalt 734, although I bet it's based off that, mostly just because of the side handles and it doesn't have rollers on the top. But the Oliver is pretty similar to this too. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.